Now, what is the value that both of you are bringing to the investors? Maybe I start with Raymond first.
Very simple. Two of us coming together, 1 + 1 equal to many multiples. We are creating a lot of values to our user. We are creating more wealth management product for our user, and they are going to get more with their money.
Hello everyone, I'm Wildon, Head of Wholesale Distribution for Southeast Asia at Fidelity International. Today, I'm pleased to be joined by Raymond Ng, CEO of Revolut Singapore, Sabrina Gan, Fidelity Head of Southeast Asia and Country Head for Singapore, and Vishalakshi Verma, Product Lead for Wealth and Trading. From Revolut and Fidelity, we are excited to share more details of our partnership that enables investors to get the most value out of their money. Money deposited into Revolut's flexible account will be invested into a money market fund managed by Fidelity International. Now, to kick off, Raymond, I'll turn to you. As a CEO of Revolut Singapore, what drives you every day?
I like to solve problems. It's in my blood. If you look at my past career, company always hire me to solve problems, launching new product, going to new markets. And Revolut is the kind of company that actually work very well for me. We are always launching new product in new market, bring a lot of value to our user. Our user is about 45 million globally. And this actually makes me very happy early in the morning coming to work. It's a very fulfilling journey.
Now, Revolut is a global fintech company founded in 2015 with the headquarters in London. Could you share with us Revolut's purpose, a brief history of the journey, and more importantly, your plans in Asia?
We are in the mission to make things easy for all things money for our user. We want to provide a lot of value to them. We want to provide a lot of provide services to them. We are always launching new products that actually make them to have more with their money. And we go into all the wealth management product. And if you look at the wealth management product, we have trading, commodity, and then now we are launching money market funds in many markets. And this actually brings a lot of value to our user. We started off as a fintech about 8 to 9 years ago. And if you look at where we are now, we are pivoting from a fintech to a super app and now to become a global bank. This is our vision. We are in 38 plus markets in the world. In Asia, we are in Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Japan. We are not going to stop there. We are going to keep expanding in APAC. This is our journey. This is where we are going.
Now, Raymond, there's this burning question. Could you tell us in one sentence, why should I and our viewers money with Revolut?
Very simple. If you want to have the best value of your money, use Revolut because we bring a lot of value to you, not only for your daily needs, but also for your wealth management. If you use Revolut, you will save more, you will make more with your money using Revolut all in one app.
Now, turning to Sabrina, with Fidelity's established presence in Singapore for over 20 years, what are the trends and changes have you observed amongst investors?
Investors are getting wealthier, compounded by the fact that this whole wealth management drive. We see a lot of entry from global players coming into Asia, and this has a lot of implications to the what and how of investing. So in terms of the what, unlike in the past, where investing is really down to making a decision in terms of what stocks to invest, in today's world, we see a proliferation of strategies and asset classes, and it can cut across, I would say, traditional and the alternatives, and also active and passive asset classes. In terms of the how of investing, we do see investors, especially the younger generation, being more receptive to tech and innovation. They have a growing interest in fintech solutions and also emerging themes such as AI. They also want to do their own research and self-serve via an array of products digital platforms such as Revolut have to offer. And finally, they also demand highly personalized and flexible investment solutions that reflect their unique values, goals, and also lifestyle preferences.
Now, Sabrina, the hottest topic today, interest rate cut. So what role do you see the money market fund play in the declining interest rate environment?
So we do see a very strong demand for money market solutions in the last 1 to 2 years, given the high level of cash rates in the market. And going forward, we do see still strong demand for various reasons. One of them will be safety. Money market funds are generally viewed as relatively safe instruments versus cash, given their very high quality and high liquidity profiles. Secondly, money market funds also aim to offer yields that's higher than cash. And finally, from a diversification standpoint, we do see demand from investors looking to pair their short-dated money market instruments along the longer-dated bonds that they hold. So on one hand, they can take advantage of the high level of yields. On the other hand, they also balance out their interest rate exposures in the portfolios.
So on that note, could you share an overview on the money market fund that Fidelity is currently managing?
Yes, so firstly, it invests with a conservative approach. The strategy tends to be diversified across 30 high-quality issuers, and most of them will be focused on the developed markets issuer. And this approach has stood the test of time across market cycles and periods of stress, including the great financial crisis and also the COVID crisis. Secondly, Fidelity has an extensive track record when it comes to managing money market funds. So we've been doing that since 1995. And finally, rating. It's rated AAA by external credit agencies, Moody's and S&P. So this also, I would say, provides an additional layer of scrutiny and standards that have to be met for us to achieve the AAA rating.
All right, the next question is both for Raymond and Sabrina. Now, Raymond, Revolut being a global fintech and neobank, combining forces with an asset management powerhouse like Fidelity. Now, what is the value that both of you are bringing to the investors? Maybe I start with Raymond first.
Very simple. Two of us coming together, 1 + 1 equal to many multiples. We are creating a lot of values to our user. We are creating more wealth management product for our user, and they are going to get more with their money.
Sabrina?
Through this partnership, Revolut's customers will be able to access Fidelity's global investment experience, powered by our global investment platform and research capabilities.
Now, we have heard a lot from the both of you, but the last but not least, Visha, as Revolut product lead, I'm sure flexible account is very close to your heart. Could you share with the audience a quick product demo on how flexible account works?
That's absolutely right, Wildon. And at Revolut, we are democratizing investing, which means that we want to make it very simple, accessible, and affordable for our users. Our users within 5 minutes can open a trading account from the comfort of their home and access different asset classes, US stocks, US ETFs, commodities, money market fund, and much more. I'll quickly show you. So here, after onboarding, if a user has to invest in money market funds, from the main screen, just go to Accounts, New, Start an investment account. And here the user can make a very informed decision looking at all the different unique features of this money market fund, like users can withdraw anytime. There is no minimum amount restriction. Interest can be collected daily. A user can just simply confirm and simply fund. They can start with as low as $1. And it's so easy to put the money to work. Users can also invest in stocks, ETFs, and commodities. And for that, they can discover the stocks of their choice under Invest section. There are popular stocks which can be viewed, top movers. There are certain collections, as Sabrina had mentioned earlier. Younger people are very much interested in themes. We also publish a weekly newsletter to keep our users up to date. And there are learning modules to promote financial literacy. So there's a lot to explore. I would recommend go try it out.
That's really impressive and cool. Now, to our viewers, we trust you enjoyed the conversation, and we hope we have changed the way you think about your money. Till the next time we meet, thank you and goodbye.
Potential investors should read the prospectus before investing in the fund. The value of the units in the fund and the income accruing to them may rise or fall.